Hey everyone, welcome back to 360 Alaskan Life. So today we're going to do a little pre-winter tractor maintenance. So we're going to get this tractor ready. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and grease up the loader on it, because it's been a while since we greased the loader. And we should get that done about every 10 hours. So Ethan here is going to give me a hand getting the loader greased today. Isn't that right, buddy?
Yep.
So before we get started, I just got to grab the other grease gun real quick. There's the grease. Holy cow, look at that grease gun. That is terrible.
Jeez.
I'll tell you what, I got just the place for this grease gun. Right where it belongs, in the garbage. What's that?
In the trash.
Oh, look what Ethy's got. Let me see what you got, Ethy.
A Milwaukee grease gun.
Milwaukee grease gun, that's right. We're switching to 18-volt grease gun on this one. Okay, so we're going to go around to each Zerk on the loader. I like to get them cleaned off first so you're not putting in extra dirt into these. So we're going to go over each of the grease points to go ahead and get some grease in them with the new grease gun. I'll put an image on the screen right now. It'll show you all the different points that need to be greased on your loader. Okay, so we're going to start on the left side with this loader pin right here. Okay, Ethy, go ahead and let's grease it. Oh, hold up. That means we don't have it all the way on. This is a new grease gun, so it's going to be kind of tight the first time it goes on. Okay, go ahead and let... Just a little more. Okay, good. And we're just looking for that grease to start coming out there. And this is just important for me, is making sure you clean up the grease. Even after you cleaned up, it's going to squish out later. So you're going to want to make sure you keep it clean. So if you got dirt, grease like this just attracts it. So the next grease cert is right on top of the loader arm here, right down in this hole. All right, Ethy, go ahead and give me a couple squirts there. One more time. Right there.
Ew.
Clean off the extra grease here. So the next pin you want to grease is right up under this hydraulic ram here. You can see it straight there. Okay, go ahead. One more. Okay.
Stuck?
A little bit. Okay, hold that. Okay, the next point we're going to grease is this pin right here on top of the lower hydraulic ram. The one that's closer to the front.
There you go.
Thank you. I always use a synthetic grease. Go ahead and give me a couple of that. A little more. There we go. I find synthetic just works really well. We experience a lot of low temperatures here. So the next two grease zerks we're going to do are down here on the front of our loader. So before I get started with those, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up a little bit.
That's not bad.
Okay, let me see the grease gun. Okay, a couple squirts. Go ahead. That's good.
And how sticky is it, Dad?
It's pretty sticky stuff. It stays in there really well. One more. Good. And we've set that grease gun for 3 pumps. We're finding that about 6 pumps, maybe 5 pumps would be about ideal. So we might change the settings on that. You wanna hold that, Ethy?
Okay.
So we're gonna change how many pumps we're putting out here. I guess we're on 4 pumps. We're finding we need just a little more. So let's go ahead and switch it to 5.
Okay.
All right. Pump. Okay, so me and Ethy have moved on to the right side of the tractor now. So we'll just go ahead and grease up that side. It's exactly the same, but we're gonna go ahead and go over it.
Okay.
Okay, so once again, we got the 2 pins down on the front. down by the attachments. This one is really dirty here. We're gonna have to clean this one out, Ethy.
Yes, sirree. That is very dirty.
Okay, Ethy, let me see the grease gun. Okay, go ahead and give it some grease. Okay. Oh, go ahead and a little more. Oh, that's all right. It's shooting back at us. That's because we had a Zerk come out.
Is that a bolt?
No, the grease fitting just came out. So we're gonna have to put it back in. I got a Zerk and I got it in the socket. I just gotta get it started. Okay, so we finally found the right size socket. Got that grease Zerk back in there. Now we're ready to grease it up, finally. Okay, Ethy, give us some grease.
Wait, it's on lock. Is that much?
Give us a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's grease this lower fitting, go ahead. That's good. Okay, hold that. So next up on this side, we got the grease fitting right on the top of this ram right here. Let's get this a little cleaned off. Okay, let's see the grease gun. Okay, go ahead and give us some grease. That's pretty good. That's good. Good job.
Look at the color, it's green.
Well, there was some old grease in there before that comes out blue.
How old does the grease get?
What's that?
How old does the grease get?
So the grease gets worn out every 10 hours. So you need to change out grease every 10 hours in your loader or you risk wearing out your pins. Okay, so our next grease fitting is back up under here. Okay, Ethy, give us some grease. Okay, that should be good. Let's clean that one up.
That's just mud.
Okay, the next grease fitting's at the top of this ram. Go ahead and give it a little grease here. That's good. We'll come back and clean that one up. And then right at the top here, hidden in this pocket. Go ahead and give us some grease. One more. Okay, that should be good.
Like and subscribe and press the bell icon.
You heard Ethy, don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks from 360 Alaskan Life. Thanks for joining us today. The next one.
Let's work. Yo, it's go time, showtime, never backing down time. One shot, yo, make it count, yo. Crunch time, shine time, make this moment my time. Get a grip.